Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to learn about how to change mouse pointer color in Windows 11. Right click on Windows Start button. Click on Settings. Click on Accessibility present at the left side of the screen. Click on Mouse Pointer and Touch. Under Mouse Pointer Style, click on Custom Color. Click on Choose another color. Choose your favorite color and click on Done. Now, your mouse pointer has changed to your favorite color. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you like the video. For more such videos, please like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel. Kindly click the bell icon to get notification of the latest videos.